When the people are friend, let me tell you now one simple thing. You see when we call up a foreigner and beg on a change, don't send no $100, no $50, no $40 come now. Anytime you go to Western Union and go send them money, they come to Jamaica, you know go back feet, you know go back, go collect back on the money. Because I can't understand what kind of sense and conscience you know have. If you know say, me, we send up there, we tell us that we sick, we tell us that we birthday, we like cut off, we rent, don't want to pay, we don't have no food in the house. One go send $50 go. One who could have possibly go. One who they go with $100, $50, $40 and I said who we? Let me tell you something. We're going to go back and take it back. Any $100, $50 and $500, even a $500, $200, $300, no bother with it. No bother with it. No $50, no $40, no $30. Don't do that. Don't do that. When we call up a foreigner and tell them we problem, do not disrespect us like that. Because we are going to make you not have to walk. Go to Western Union and go collect that back. Every time you call me and ask you if you collect your money, we are going to say, no, we did not do this, we not do nothing, we just don't want it. We just don't want it, and we not even too want telling us I want, we don't want it. We want enough to take the humiliation, go back to Western Union, go collect a little change. What do you think? We call up there and tell them, say, we rent one pay. We light bill or cut off. We not enough food or repeat them no one go to school. Now, uno I go talk about, uno take a little time and go to Western Union and go send $50, $40, $60. Who do you think uno is? Oh, do you think uno is? Remember, so when time when I'm in India, Jamaica, we used to feel, you know, and take care of us, nobody with the styling. And I talk about how uno have it. How uno have it? Look on the big house and the big car, uno there fine living there. Who not send $100? Who not send... Who not send $100 and $50 Jamaica come give? Are we? I want to think. Let me tell you this, me have it, you don't know. Me have it, you don't know. Me I get sick and tired and fed up, you know. Every day me get up and me I feel cuss about the same thing and I talk about the same thing. You not gonna start go back to Western Union. You not gonna start go back to Western Union and collect them like a chump chain the one I send come. Remember me tell you no, and me want to go back to Western Union and no cash it back. Tell me how the humiliation feel. When you hear, no bright too. Somehow no bright too. Well bright. Well bright, you send a little $100 and a little $50 and $30 and $40 sit down and wait for phone for we call you and tell you no thanks. No call you and tell you thanks. We don't have a style like this I come talk about say, them not even call you and tell you, we send a little $100 come, we send a little $100 come, and them not even call we and tell you thanks. Them not even call we and tell you thanks. What a way them bright and facey. Oh please, thanks for what? What we are telling you thanks for? What do for we? You not gonna like me now. You not gonna like me coming out top fan telling you the truth. Listen me. No $50, no $40, no $100, 200 up. When we beg on a thing on the foreign, if I'm not 200 and a half, we just make we no get where with $200. But we soon raise it to 3. When we beg on a thing, we soon raise it to 3. For now, we have to start at $200. At least $200. You know.